Well, the weekend is here. Well, it's officially here when we walk out of this building. But for you, if you're walking out soon, a breezy and warm weekend. Sunshine's coming back. May see a few clouds around the morning, but a decent amount of sunshine. Mostly sunny skies this weekend. Temperatures back in the 80s. A few spots might hit 90 in the upper valley, but showers could start to return, kind of creep back in here on Monday and into Tuesday, possibly even a thunderstorm. So kind of Monday and Tuesday are the best chances for rain, and then things look a little cooler after that for a few days. Right now, we're above 80 nearly everywhere. Well, at least on this map we are. 80 in Brownsville, 80 in Port Isabel, 85 in Rio Grande City. And temperatures will kind of settle into the 70s this evening. The winds picking up some from the south, not really windy, but kind of a light breeze from the south, all around 10 to 15 miles per hour or less, as you see in Starr County. But I think the winds will be a little stronger tomorrow. We might see gusts around maybe 30, 35 miles per hour. So, yeah, a little breezy for weekend plans. But evening hours, pretty calm if you're out on this Friday evening. It's a light breeze from the south. Temperatures falling through the 70s with kind of partly cloudy skies, maybe mostly clear, not as many clouds as we saw earlier today, which is good because there is a penumbral eclipse of the moon. So what is the penumbra? Well, you know, if you think about it, like if someone's holding a flashlight on you and you see your shadow behind you, it's like a nice dark shadow, and there's like a little faint outer shadow around it, that's a penumbra. So it won't be, if you remember a couple of years ago, we had the eclipses of the moon where the moon got all really dark and red, and you could see like a shadow, really dark shadow going across it. This isn't that type of eclipse. This is more like a little darkening of the moon. When the moon rises at about 6:20 or so this evening, it will already be in the eclipse, and it'll be darker looking than usual, but not dark. And then the eclipse continues, and you start to see it get a little brighter as the evening goes on, and eventually that shadow moves totally away by 8:53. So again, not a super awesome eclipse, but a good eclipse nonetheless. I don't want to diminish the eclipse here, but yeah, that's what to expect. Not a big dark red moon, but kind of a fainter looking moon. Satellite radar across the valley shows partly cloudy skies around, clearing out nicely now. The sun is starting to take over, and skies should be clear to partly cloudy this evening. Future track shows mostly clear skies and then some clouds in spots late tonight. Looks like dry weather tonight and dry weather for the weekend. Saturday, we'll see mostly sunny and breezy weather back. Winds, again, may gust around 30 to 35 miles per hour, especially in the lower parts of the valley, say roughly from about central Hidalgo County eastward toward the coast, look like the breeziest spots. And then on Sunday, kind of a repeat. We'll see mostly clear skies most of Saturday night. Sunday looks like another mostly sunny day, and temperatures again back in the 80s, breezy, especially in the lower valley. It still might hit 90 degrees in spots of the upper valley, but some of the models kind of showing the atmosphere trying to cool just a little bit on Sunday, so at least in the 80s everywhere. But there is a chance to still hit 90 in Starr County both days across the valley. And then by Monday, we'll show you coming up, Monday we could start to see some showers come back in with a front trying to get in here. But dry tomorrow, dry as Sunday, then shower chances come up on Monday and kind of peaked later Monday into Tuesday morning as it looks like a cold front's trying to move through to cool things off for next week. So your first 1-5 forecast tonight, kind of clear to partly cloudy down to about 66 late tonight, but most of the evening in the 70s, and the winds about 5 to 15 miles per hour from the southeast. And back up to 88 tomorrow with sunshine, a little on the breezy side with gusts around 30 to maybe 35 miles per hour. And the first 1-5 7-day forecast, still looking for a chance for rain, kind of centered around later Monday into Tuesday for Valentine's Day, but highs dropping a bit, 88 Saturday and Sunday, near 80 on Monday, and that kind of depends on the cloud cover. It looks like things may cloud up on Monday and keep things a little cooler with a few showers. And the actual cold front may not get through here until sometime Tuesday. Could have a shower or storm with it. And then behind it, lower humidity for a few days. Look at that. Some sunshine, temperatures in the 60s and 70s, lows in the 50s, maybe upper 40s, and nice dry weather Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We'll keep tracking the nice days and maybe a few rainy days in your first 1-5 forecast. Carrie?